Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to safely access and control sensitive content on Telegram. To disable or enable sensitive content on Telegram on your iPhone, first log in to the Telegram web version, which is the first step in this process, giving you access to more settings. Now, open the web version and log in to your Telegram account there. After logging in, you'll see a menu with 3 lines. Click there to go to your settings. In Settings, find the Privacy and Security option, which is where you manage your content preferences. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Sensitive Content option waiting for you. Remove the tick mark to disable filtering, allowing more content to appear, effectively lifting restrictions currently in place now. Sensitive content is now enabled, giving you full access. If you want all content to show, tick this box to turn off filtering completely now. To apply these changes, close and reopen the Telegram app now, which will activate your new settings fully, ensuring they take effect immediately and consistently. Finally, check your settings again to confirm they've changed as expected, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Enabled sensitive content on Telegram. Now check the description for a discount. Like and subscribe.